Hey guys, how's it going? It is me, Lazy B, and we are unboxing another figure. Okay, was the less? Okay, yeah. Cyprus. Really? They're getting it from Greece? Okay, another Starcraft one, but bigger, higher, stronger, better. Hopefully. Anywho, it's Artanis, leader of the Dialum, leader of the Protos. Here we go. And if that doesn't say anything to you, this is how he looks. And if that doesn't say anything to you, well, this is how it looks. And by the way, I really like, I didn't show on the other box, there's like the font of the game. Diablo was the previous one, this one is Starcraft. I didn't confuse between those two, no you. And as I said on the previous one, for reasons, I needed to remove the foam inside, so it has just been sitting there. Oh, it's upside down. Here we go, just like that. And voila! Let's open him up and get a closer look, shall we? All right, here we go. Artanis. By the way, the other one is still there. Yes, I'm recording exactly after the previous one has ended. Yeah, the paint job on this one isn't as good. You can see like they didn't remove some of this joint. I guess it was like two halves, and then they joined it together here, and now it's not as good. Still decent. Like the paint job is okay. I really like how the knives look on this guy. The two knives. Like only the face, but compared to him, the face is so small you can barely see that. And okay, yeah. There are some paint jobs that are kind of like this on the previous one, but that's what you get from an assembly line and not a very expensive figure. I know, by the way, the prices. I guess I'll put them in the videos if I don't forget. Anywho, this is the leader of the Protos. This is Artanis. Pretty cool. He's pretty big. That's what she said. He's not as big and bulky as the Mewtwo one, but I would say he's probably as big as my non-legit Reaper over here. That means he's probably bigger than the Spawn I have. Yeah, he's bigger than him. Let me get the other one. So here we go. Compared to this one, he's bigger. He's bigger. He's buff AF. Okay, his eyes look normal. It's just like the line on his face. Okay. Here's this communication with the color. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Overall, I do like them both. This style kind of grown on me. I didn't really like it at the beginning, but it's pretty cool. I like this small like Protos textures, Blizzard indentation, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. I know how many more there are from this style. Let me check quickly. Okay, so as far as I can see, oh wow, they made a Zorg Brood Lord figure. That's cool. Anyway, as far as I can see, maybe the World of Warcraft Warchief troll, but it's all gray. Okay, I can't seem to get any of them. 1 second. Oh yeah, I can't seem to have any of them on the screen right there. Maybe they removed them from the site. Probably it would be more logical me not finding them on the site. I think they're still there. Anywho, those are great and amazing. I'm really glad I got them. And get ready for another video of me opening a bunch of smaller stuff. Alright? Okay. Bye. Subscribe, of course.